Rome, Reuters. Italian President Sergio Mattarella is expected to ask a former International Monetary Fund official on Monday to head a stopgap government amidst political and constitutional turmoil, with early elections looking inevitable. Mattarella summoned Carlo Cottarelli after the anti-establishment Five-Star and far-right League parties abandoned plans to form a coalition, angered by the presidential Euro trademark's veto of their choice of a Eurosceptic to become economy minister. The president was due to meet Cottarelli at 11:30 a.m., 9:30 GMT. Financial markets rallied for a while on the news that Italy, a Euro trademark's economy, the Eurozone, a Euro trademark's third biggest, would not be guided by a government hostile to the single currency. However, the gains were soon wiped out and analysts warned that any Cottarelli-led government was unlikely to win a confidence vote in parliament, meaning it would serve merely as a caretaker until new elections can be held. These, investors suspect, could become a de facto referendum on what future Italy, a founding member of what is now the European Union, will have in the bloc. Already Italian politicians are maneuvering for power after any caretaker administration. A Five-Star source said the movement was considering campaigning together with the League if the nation goes back to the polls. The center-right Forza Italia party also said it would not vote for a possible Cottarelli government. In a televised address, Mattarella said he had rejected the coalition a Euro trademark's candidate for the crucial economy portfolio, 81-year-old Paolo Savona, because the economist had threatened to pull Italy out of the Eurozone. For a graphic on short-lived rally in Italian banks, click tmsnrt.r/2ip2mrr. A Euro-ETH uncertainty over our position has alarmed investors and savers both in Italy and abroad, a Euro Mattarella said, adding, a Euro membership of the Euro is a fundamental choice. If we want to discuss it, then we should do so in a serious fashion, a Euro. Financial markets tumbled last week on fears the coalition would unleash a spending splurge and dangerously ramp up Italy, a Euro trademark's already huge debt, the third biggest in the world and equivalent to more than 1.3 times the national Euro trademark's domestic output. After the coalition a Euro trademark's collapse, Italian bonds and stocks rallied while the Euro pulled off more than 6-month lows. But this was short-lived. Italy, a Euro trademark's main stock index fell 0.8%, having surged at the open while bank stocks fell 3.1% to a new 13-month low. The Euro lost its early gains, and was down 0.1% at a fresh 6-month low. On the debt market, Italian 10-year government bond yields, which move inversely to price, were nearly 8 basis points higher at 2.53%, having dropped 10 bps in early trade. The political crisis also pushed Italy, a Euro trademark's cost of borrowing over 2 years to the highest level since December 2014 at an auction on Monday. A Euro-ETH rose of anger, a Euro. The League and Five-Star, which had spent days drawing up a coalition pact aimed at ending a stalemate following inconclusive elections in March, responded with fury to Mattarella, accusing him of abusing his office. Five-Star leader Luigi Di Maio called on Parliament to impeach the mild-mannered Mattarella. League chief Matteo Salvini threatened mass protests unless snap elections were called. A Euro, or if they're a Euro trademark's not the OK of Berlin, Paris, or Brussels, a government cannot be formed in Italy. Eat a Euro trademark's madness, and I ask the Italian people to stay close to us because I want to bring democracy back to this country, a Euro Salvini told reporters. However, Salvini later dismissed Di Maio Euro trademark's call. A Euro, we need to keep cool. Some things cannot be done in the throes of anger. I don't a Euro trademark want to talk about impeachment, a Euro, he told Radio Capital. Short-term solution. While he had approved all their other ministerial picks, Mattarella said he had the right to block nominations that could harm the country. He added that the League and Five-Star had refused to put forward any other name for the role. If, as expected, Cottarelli fails to win parliamentary backing, he would simply ferry Italy to elections that would most likely be held in September or October. It would be the first time in post-war Italian history that such a revote was needed. On Monday, Salvini said in a radio interview he would seek parliamentary support from 5 Star to change the electoral law. The current purely proportional system produced a hung parliament 2 months ago, and polls suggest it could happen again. The League, which won 17% of the vote in March, would surge in any early ballot, polls show, while support for 5 Star remains strong, above 30%. Mainstream center-left and center-right parties were seen losing further ground in the face of voter anger over the sluggish economy, high unemployment, and rising poverty. In new elections, the radicals will likely rail even more loudly than before against Italy a Euro trademark s pro-European a Euro establishment a Euro trademark, a Euro, said Holger Schmieding, chief economist at Berenberg Bank. A Euro especially the League may frame a new election as a de facto referendum on Italy a Euro trademark's role in Europe a Euro. Demanding an immediate ballot, Salvini told followers on Facebook, a Euro I'd won a Euro trademark to be an election, it will be a referendum between Italy and those on the outside who want us to be a servile, enslaved nation on our knees a Euro.